This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the frame rate in Kazam. Let me jump over to Kazam here. I am on my desktop now. I happen to be using Linux Mint. I have Kazam opened up here. To change your frame rate, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go up to the File tab, click on File. Then you want to go down to where it says Preferences and click on Preferences. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, you want to click on the middle tab, Screencast, and then right in here is your frame rate. You could either put your mouse cursor in here and change it this way. By default it's probably set to about 15. I usually keep mine on about 30. You can change it by typing in the numbers here, or you could use this plus and minus. That is how you change your frame rate in Kazam. Thanks for watching.